It's another week of looking at long and short. This week I'm working in a single strand of stranded cotton, and hopefully you can see from the very early stages of this recording, this is a lot smoother than some of our previous examples of long and short, because it's a finer thread, therefore it lays more smoothly. The shading will grade down more gradually, we'll get a nice gradation, and it will not get bulky. So if ever you've seen examples of my own long and short, it's almost exclusively worked in a single strand of stranded cotton. There are hundreds of colours to choose from. You can get whatever you want. You can always find something to blend into something else. It's the perfect thread for this technique. So this recording, this example that I have filmed for the Essential Embroidery Stitch Society, this took me over 2 hours. So to compact it down into 2 minutes has taken me a fair old while. So it's taken about twice as long as the example that I stitched in the same sized area with 2 strands of stranded cotton, which is the logical conclusion. If you're using half the amount of thread when you are putting your stitches in, you are going to take twice as long to get somewhere. But it does mean that you can get twice the amount of shading in, and that's the one thing that I really want you to take from these recordings is how versatile a single strand is. So we've now looked at 4 different types of thread in basic form of long and short, worked in these tapestry shaded laddered bands of colour. What we will start looking at next week and onwards is how colours can blend together. We've got how to turn angles coming up, and we're actually going to have a couple of little examples of motifs being silk. And all of this needs to frantically get stitched, recorded for you in the next week, because I am travelling for work in a couple of weeks. So I need to get the rest of our silk shaded recordings done very, very quickly. I've got a plan for next week. It will be slightly fraught. But long and short, single strand, it is my favourite way of working this stitch. I do think it gives us the best results, and I've used some of my favourite colours here, so I'm pleased with how this sample's come out.